Good day. My name is Maria Cassandra A. Casido, and I am the president of the Scholarship Workers Union, representing the hardworking student employees of Campus Brew Cafe. Our union was formed to protect and support working students who balance their education while contributing to the workforce. Our vision is to create a workplace where working students are treated with fairness, dignity, and respect. We aim for an environment where students can pursue their education while working without experiencing exploitation or unfair treatment. Our mission is to advocate for fair wages, flexible schedules, and safe working conditions for student employees. The Scholarship Workers Union is committed to ensuring that working students are recognized not only as learners but also as valuable contributors to the company. Our union logo reflects our identity and purpose. The graduation cup represents education and the dreams of student workers. The clock symbolizes the work shifts that students manage while studying. The handshake represents unity and solidarity among members. The colors blue and gold represent trust, hard work, and opportunity. The year 2026 marks the founding of our union dedicated to empowering working students. The major issue affecting working students is minimum wage inequality. Many students employees perform the same tasks as regular workers but receive lower compensation or fewer benefits. This creates financial pressure for students who are working to support their education. To all members of the Scholarship Workers Union, let us stand united. By working together, we can advocate for fair wages, balanced schedules, and respect for working students. Our voices are stronger when we stand as one.